Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Spectrum cable box stuck on L-3 boot loop and signal refresh. When your Spectrum cable box is stuck displaying L-3, it means the receiver is stuck during the low 3 stage of its boot sequence. This occurs when the box fails to download or build the channel catalog due to a signal interruption, outdated firmware, or a localized system overload. Method 1. Perform a deep power cycle. Unplug the receiver's power cord from the wall outlet or the back of the box. Leave the device completely unplugged for at least full 5 minutes. And while waiting, inspect the box vents and clear away dust to prevent hardware overheating. Now plug the box back into the outlet and allow up to 20 minutes for it to rebuild the boot sequence. Method 2. Inspect and reseat the coaxial line. Unscrew the threaded coaxial cable from the cable in port on the back of your receiver. Check the copper center pin inside the cable to ensure it is completely straight and not bent or broken. Now screw the cable back into the box tightly until it is hand tight. Trace the opposite end of the cord to your wall outlet or signal splitter and make sure that connection is just as secure. Avoid routing through cheap, unrated third parties splitters as they degrade the written path signal frequency. Method 3. Send an online signal refresh. Sign into your account profile on the Spectrum website or open the My Spectrum app. Navigate to the Services section and select the TV tab. Now locate your specific stock receiver from the hardware list and click Restart Equipment to push a remote synchronization signal directly to the box. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.